It's November 26th this evening. I'm sitting in the same spot I was hunting last night, where I had a little buck come in, and then two does came in right after that. I was probably only sitting 15-20 minutes, and I was really looking to shoot a doe. So you guys can watch that in a little bit. Now that I shot a doe, I'm kind of looking for a buck. So hopefully tonight will bring us some luck on a nice buck. But you guys can check my doe kill out right here. Just had those two does come in, and it looks like I got a pretty good shot on that one doe. I would have liked to see her die, but I know I hit her pretty good, and I guess we'll give it a little time and I'll go grab her, but I'm pretty sure she's going to be laying down right over there. Well, here she is. Unfortunately, the lighting's awfully bad, but she's definitely what I thought she was, a nice big old mature doe. We had to track her a little bit longer than what I was anticipating, but nonetheless we found her. They did the trick again.